The author of this book talks about a boy named Jason who studies in the 6th grade and does a business, and a boy well known to him and his son Ben. Just like how we have rupees and cents here in our country, in the US the terms dollars and cents are used as currency. There, $1 is equal to 100 cents. Do you know what this boy Jason does for business? He buys a pack of chewing gum for 25 cents. Each pack has 5 gum sticks, and the author tells in his book that Jason would forcefully sell these sticks to his friends for 25 cents each. Jason is so smart that he sells 4 to 5 packs in one day. The author's son Ben decided to calculate the money Jason makes in 1 year. For each pack, he sees a profit of $1. So in a day, he gets a profit of at least $4. School works 5 days a week, so he will get a profit of $20 a week. As the school works 36 weeks a year, Jason would earn 36 times 20, that is $720 in just 1 year. Now, he will take at least 6 years to finish 12th grade in school. So Ben calculated that Jason will get a profit of more than $4,000. The author then asks Ben how much he would invest in Jason's business if Jason promises to give him half his business, that is 50% of Jason's business. Ben responds by saying Jason would sell a minimum of 3 packs a day. So for a day, $3, $15 a week, $500 a year, and so he will get a profit of $3,000 in 6 years. So, will you buy his business for $1,500 then? Asked the author. Ben answers, why would I pay $1,500 and wait for 6 more years just to see a profit of another $1,500? All this assuming that Jason's business flourishes. But what if he's not able to sell more and goes into a loss? The author agrees to it and says, yes, if some of his friends decides to do the same business like him, he will go into a loss. But Ben disagrees to this and says Jason is so determined that he wouldn't rest until his friends buy his packs and that he is a superhero. Then the author asks Ben whether he would buy it for just $1 then. To this Ben replies, do not talk like an idiot to his dad. So dad says, you will buy for an amount between $1 and $1,500, right? Ben then tells him that he's ready to pay $450 for his business. The author then says Ben that this is how he earns in share market. Author says that he will examine and study all businesses that do well like Jason's business and then buy it for rate half its worth. Ben then asks who will sell a business, say $1,000 worth business for just $500? Author then says that there is a place where businesses are sold and there you can bargain and buy at a very good price. You don't have to be a genius to learn these tactics, but anybody can learn and do good business, says the author. No matter how Ben earns money in the future, since the cost of living increases by the day, the value of the money he earns decreases. So instead of withdrawing the profit you earn, invest it again and again so that you can earn more money in a short period of time and then enjoy retirement. The author then concludes by saying, in order to do this, you need to listen to a long story and use the magic formula given at the end of the book to get better results. Are you curious to hear this long story and do you wonder what this magic formula is? You can check it out in my next video. The story which I just told you is from a book called The Little Book That Beats the Market, written by Joan Greenblatt. If you want to buy a copy of this book for yourself or gift it to someone, use the link given in the description box. I've decided to put up a video every Wednesday based on finance, a video every Saturday to understand the ever-changing world, and a video every Sunday covering few math topics. Do encourage us by punching the like button, do comment your views and share this video. Most importantly, subscribe to Fun Maths Academy. Thank you.